friends, today we will learn how to edit text in Microsoft Word. तो आज हम सीखेंगे how to edit text in Microsoft Word. The first command is cut. Cut means to delete or to remove. That is called cut. So first and foremost, we select a paragraph. I select this, suppose for example, and we can use this cut command. We can use this command also to cut, or we can use the shortcut Control plus X. The next one is we need to paste somewhere, so we press Control V, so it will paste here. The next one is called copy. Copy means to make a duplicate of the selected text or paragraph. Copy का मतलब होता है कोई भी चीज को duplicate बनाना. So let's take an example. First we select and we click this copy command. Okay, we can click this copy command. Now it is selected, sorry, copied. So if you want to use the shortcut key, we can press Control plus C to copy. Then next one is called paste. Paste means where we want to put, Control V. The next one is called paste. Paste means whatever we copy or cut, we need to put somewhere into the document, that is called paste. So to understand this, first of all, I select this. Let's say I have copied, Control C. Then I want to paste here. So we can use this command paste. We can just click it here. So automatic, as you can see here, it is coming. Or we can use the shortcut Control V. Control V. Press Control V. That is called paste. The next one we have is called undo. Undo means to cancel the command, whatever the command that we have given. हमने जो भी command दिया है उस command को cancel करने के लिए हम undo use करते हैं. Let's understand here in this paragraph. Sorry. So let's say suppose I have given the first paragraph bold and second paragraph as italic and third paragraph I have deleted this. So to cancel whatever the command that we have given is called undo. We can use this. This is called undo. This command is called undo. So we can use this also, or we can use shortcut key Control Z. As you can see, everything is removed now. Control. And next one is called redo. Redo means to repeat the same thing. So when I redo, the first paragraph will become bold, second will become italic, and the third one will get deleted. So Control Y, as you can see here, the first paragraph is bold. If I press again Control plus Y, the second paragraph is italic, and if I press again Control plus Y, the third paragraph is deleted. So that is the work of undo and redo. Then the next command is called find. Find means to search something. Let's say I have written here hello. So I want to find this. So we can use this command. This is called find command. Or we can use the shortcut Control F. So let's say I want to find hello. So I will type here hello. So automatic it will come. Let's say suppose for example we want to find cut. So I will type here CUT, cut. So automatic it is highlighted as you can see here. So this is called find. The next one is called replace. Replace means to change. Replace का मतलब होता है change करना. So we can use, this is the command of replace. We can click here, or we can press shortcut key Control H from your keyboard. So now let's say for example we have to write that word, जो word हमें replace करना उस word को हमें यहाँ पे लिखना है. Let's say for example I want to replace hello. So I will type here hello. Hello replace with, let's say I want to replace with hi. So as you can see here I have written find what, we want to replace this word hello. So we have written here hello. Replace with what, किस word से हमें replace करना है. हम चाहते हैं कि hello के जगह hi हो जाए, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है hi. So we just click here replace. As you can see here replace, then close it. So as you can see here it is replaced. Instead of hello, hi is there. That's all for today. Thank you so much.